Welcome to Diadem. My name is Ian Hamilton Gates and I'm going to talk about today the maintenance box. So if you come with me, I'm going to show you what it's all about. Over here we have the Diadem maintenance box. Now the key reason why you need a maintenance box is to allow all the water to enter the water outlet on a building. Now you don't want any of this material entering the water outlet and clogging the system. So with the Diadem maintenance box, this stops any material from entering, and also, most importantly, don't let any light in here. This is to stop anything from growing on the inside. This is durable, UV protected, and you can lock it if there's a large amount of wind. So as you see on the inside here, we've got the filter system, you've got the drainage board. These all act to keep the water outlet clear from any debris. Now, you may be wondering what happens if you have substrate or stones which is higher. That's not a problem. We have a variety of sizes and shapes, including a variety of different extensions, as you see here. We can raise up the maintenance box to suit your requirements on your building. This can also come in circular shapes for higher amount of level if you needed to raise the substrate even higher. So, as you can see, this is the Diadem maintenance box. Now, join me on the next video and I look forward to seeing you soon.